The number pattern in triangle P is repeated in triangle Q. What is the value of x? Okay, so we have a certain pattern occurring in triangle P, and at first glance it seems to be fairly obvious. This number here multiplied by this number here will equal this number on the right, since 3 times 15 is equal to 45. But this same pattern is also repeated in triangle Q. So whatever x is multiplied by 40 equals 20. And let's write that down algebraically. What we'll have is x times 40 is equal to 20. Now, just like standard algebra, we divide both sides by 40, and we get that x equals 0.5 or a half. So when they ask us what is the value of x, we should put a half.